One day in the big green house, Ninja and his puppets were getting ready for story time.
Linus! Linus the elephant! Are you ready for story time?
Story time, story time.
How about Chrissie? Chrissie Kangaroo! Where are you?
I'm here! Story time, story time!
Well, it looks like we're all ready for story time!
Yay!
I think I'll get a book from the Magic Bookshelf.
The Magic Bookshelf had magic storybooks about any topic you could imagine.
I think we'll read this one. Hiya! Gather round, puppets, gather round. Once upon a time, there was a...
What happens next?
Ninja's fallen asleep. Ninja, wake up!
Oh no! We've got to wake Ninja up!
How do you wake up a ninja?
Slap him with your tail.
Hiya! No.
Oh.
Maybe he needs a warm glass of milk.
No, that's for going to sleep.
No.
Maybe he just needs new batteries.
I don't think ninjas have batteries.
Oh.
Maybe he needs true love's first kiss. That always wakes people in the fairy tales. Okay, What do ninjas say to each other?
Oh, let me have a go. Oh, Ninja, why don't you kiss me?
I don't think it's working. I'll try.
Okay.
Oh, Ninja, I love you.
Oh, this is hopeless. I think we need to find some help.
You're right. We can ask everyone in the big green house if they know how to wake up a sleeping ninja.
We can meet back here. Let's go.
Right. Apply liberally. Whisking gently, whisking gently.
Oi! You guys!
Oh, hello little kangaroo. What can we do for you?
The ninja's fallen asleep and he won't wake up.
Sleeping ninja? Well, we didn't do it. Our food is 100% guaranteed not to put ninjas to sleep.
We don't know how to wake him up. Do you have any tips?
Oh. Have you tried slapping him with your kangaroo tail?
No, I tried that. Didn't work.
Oh.
I know! Magical recipe book!
Right, yeah, we'll look in there. Okay, under S for sleeping ninja. To awake a sleeping ninja, add 1 cup of iced water directly to face. Add the ice.
Here you go. Try that.
Thanks, guys.
No worries. Let us know how it goes, alright?
Will do.
Right, and 1 egg.
Let's go. Roll call everybody. Jim.
Here.
Jazz.
Here.
Ned. Has anyone seen Ned?
That's you, boss.
Oh. Ned, here. Okay. Today is the day where we steal the ninja's treasure. Now, this is a top secret operation. Hello. Blimey, an elephant.
I think it's from the house, boss.
The spy, we've been rumbled. Emergency plan A. Emergency plan A. Oh, this is no good at all. I'm not here.
Are you okay, Ned?
You can't see me.
Oh, Okay.
Hello, can we help you?
We are but humble fruit sellers.
Yes, fruit sellers. Would you like some yummy fruit?
Maybe a juicy orange?
Apples and bananas for you?
Well, I would like a banana. No, I'm here to find out. How do you wake up a sleeping ninja?
If puts this peg on his nose, he will wake up.
Thank you, Mrs. Fruit Seller.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Ned.
You still can't see me.
Oh, okay.
Good work, gang.
Boss, did we put the ninja to sleep?
We did not. But if he is asleep, then this is the perfect time to go after his treasure!
Yeah, excellent.
Let's go!
Right after we have some yummy fruit!
Hurrah! Yeah, sounds excellent.
How did it go?
The fruit sellers who live in our backyard gave me this peg
Well, what's it for?
to put on Ninja's nose.
Oh, the cooks gave me some iced water to throw on Ninja's face.
Let's try it out.
I'll go first, because I'm a kangaroo.
My turn, my turn.
Here, give that. Yeah.
Oh. Oh, this is hopeless. We're never gonna wake Ninja up.
Now wait just 1 second, Linus. There's still one person we haven't spoken to. The witch.
The witch! I don't want to see the witch.
Well, why not?
I'm scared of witches. She cast a spell on me.
What did it do?
It made me scared of witches. That's what it did.
Oh, you're just a big scaredy elephant. Come on, we're gonna go and talk to her right now.
Oh, 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 oh. This is a bad idea. Can't we just send her an email?
Linus, you should learn to be more brave. Brave, like a kangaroo. Boo.
Ah!
And what brings you here, my furry little friends? We. We. Come on, Frenchie. I haven't got all day.
Ninja's asleep, and he won't wake up.
Ninja, eh? Hi, Cauldron. Did we cast a spell on Ninja?
Ooh,
Ninja, the guy who always dresses in black.
you dress in black?
Not me, silly. He lives in a big green house and says, "Hiya!"
Oh, him. No, you haven't cast your spell for today yet.
Thank you, Cauldron. Mwah.
Hee hee hee.
Well, it wasn't us that put Ninja to sleep, so I don't know what it could be.
Do you know how to wake him up?
Wake up a sleeping ninja. Hang on, I've got just the thing. Well, Cauldron, are you ready to cast today's spell?
Marvelous.
Hurly, girly, rusty buster, give to me a feather duster. Thank you. Here, tickle him with that.
That too.
He'll be sure to wake up.
The-
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mrs. Witchman.
And that's okay. Come back tomorrow and we can do something about that nose of yours. It's far too long.
Maybe? Ah!
Well, weren't they lovely?
I think we should bake them into a pie.
Cauldron.
Hee hee hee.
Maybe tickling Tickling the ninja will wake him up.
That too.
Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Drat. I was sure that would work.
Maybe ninjas just aren't ticklish.
What could be putting Ninja to sleep?
Oh no!
What?
What if it's dinosaurs?
It's not going to be dinosaurs.
Oh, okay. Oh no!
What?
What if it's elephants?
You're an elephant.
You're an elephant.
No, I mean you're actually an elephant.
I didn't do it.
I'm not saying that you... Linus, why don't you go and amuse yourself? I'll work it out.
Fine. I'm gonna go finish the story that Ninja was reading us.
Fine, whatever.
Elephants. Ugh.
Once upon a time, there was a man sleeping.
Well, Nancy said that it wasn't her, and it probably wasn't Ned, and it couldn't have been the cooks, and it wasn't Linus. It must have been me. Maybe Ninja is allergic to kangaroos. Linus, I've worked it out.
Linus! Linus? Oh no! I put Linus to sleep too! Oh, who knew that one kangaroo could put so many people to sleep? Oh no! Wait a second. I've always lived here, and I've never put people to sleep before. It must be something else. Of course! Linus only fell asleep when he started reading that book. I've got to get rid of it. Kangaroo style.
Oh my! What happened?
Ninja, you're awake! You were asleep for the longest time.
So were you by the looks of it.
Oh.
Why's my head wet?
We were trying to wake you up. We tried everything. We poured water on your face and put a peg on your nose and tickled you with a feather duster.
Well, of course that didn't work. Ninjas aren't ticklish. See?
Oh. Chrissie even slapped you with her kangaroo tail.
Wait a minute. Where is Chrissie?
Oh no! We've got to wake up Chrissie! We'll ask everyone in the house if they know how to wake up a sleeping kangaroo.
Looks like this book's been putting everyone to sleep. Hiya!
Chrissie!
Are you okay?
A magic book put us to sleep.
Stories for bedtime. Of course. This book is full of stories to put people to sleep. Here, watch.
Once upon a time.
We're here to take your treasure.
And we won't take no for an answer.
Oh no!
It's Ned's tigers.
Leave this one to me. Duck! Hiya!
Oh, what's that supposed to do?
Yeah, we're not afraid.
You did it!
Hooray!
Chocolate biscuits for everyone.
Yay!
Nom 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 nom.
Hey, brother,
Yes, brother?
why is cricket like a cake?
I don't know, brother. Why is cricket like a cake?
Because they both have a batter! Yuck, 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 yuck. Yuck, 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 yuck.